trying to film you guys from my wig. I'm trying. Wait, I gotta move it up. There we go. Oh wait, that's better. My crown's in the way. You know, that's a bitch when your crown's always in the way. Okay. There we go. Hey, go Browns! Woo! That's awesome, you guys. I see you enjoying a Yingling, huh? Awesome. There we go. Hey, wait, I'm going to get a close-up on the Yingling. Oh, wait, put it up to my hair, can you? There we go. Yay! Awesome. Okay, great.
How heavy is that?
It's not heavy, it's just very awkward. Yeah, and now I have a camera in my hair, so it's even like, yeah.
So now it makes it even more.
Yeah. Go on my Facebook or my YouTube and you'll see my View from the Beehive.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, I've been shooting little videos and stuff. It's not easy from your hair as opposed to holding the camera with your hand. You know? Oh well. Thanks you guys. Awesome. See how when you see, look, you're looking through the crown. See the tiara.
I see it.
See that? See, I'm my own producer, director. That's why my videos look like you know what. Okay, I'm getting better.
All right.
Great. Big game. Oh my God. This is the scary one. 0-6, we should win. And this is going to show us, are we for real or not? This game right here. But victory week was awesome. Steeler fans, shut up. It was so good. Finally. Yeah, very quiet. Oh, no, but on my Facebook, of course they have to put, well, you know, they talk about all the Super Bowls. We're living in the past. Living in the past, Steeler fan. It's a new time. It is. We've turned the corner. It's a new time. You guys are old and broken down. We're the new kids in town. Right? Still, but they bring up, they just keep saying the same old thing. I'm so over it. That's all they have. That's all they have. Yeah, we have character and resilience and, you know, yeah, and I always call it, Steeler fans are like, you know that, sometimes you'll be outside, that gnat will be buzzing around your head and it won't leave you. That's a Steeler fan. They're annoying. We're not annoying, you know, we've got heart and character. We do. So now all we got to have are wins, you know. It's fun being on the upswing instead of on the downswing that we were for so many years. This is huge, I know. I need to shut up. I need to shut up.
You don't do that, then it's like this.
I know. Someone said, oh, you must have been the reason we won, Bone Lady, because I went to a party. You must be the reason we won, Bone Lady. I'm not taking credit for that because when we lose, you're all going to come after me. We lost, Bone Lady. It's your fault. Damn. Oh, sorry. I'm just walking. You know me. Hi, George.
Hello.
Hi, George. George, look at my hair. Look at my hair. Wait. George. George, infamous Channel 19 cameraman, my friend George. Say hi, George.
Hello, George.
No, say hi. Say hi to all the Browns fans everywhere.
How are you?
How are you? Say go Browns. Oh, you're not a Browns fan, are you? Uh-oh, now they know what you look like. They're going to kick your ass. Good morning. Oh, here are the Yingling girls. Wait, here they are. Here we are. Good morning. This is all behind the scenes. There you are. See, there you are. And then my crown gets in the way. Thanks. Fun. Okay. Oh, is my stuff in your way, Diana? Because I can move it. I know, I always lose my phones. I bought a whole bag of them years ago. I do. Hey, Scott, how are you?
How are you?
Oh, wait, we got to say hi to Scott McCann. Infamous. He's the Yingling man that makes it happen. No, look at the hair. Wait. Here we go. Hi, Scott. Look at Mark. I'm having crown problems.
Tiara problems.
Yeah, don't you, Scott, when you wear